Turning your engine 10J18. Turning good. The front engines looks good, as you can see. No broken, no damage. Compressor look nice. And on this side, engines looks good. All windows in good conditions. No water. Gearbox look as well, as you can see. And on another side, engines looks good. Altimeter look as well. Starter looks good, not broken. On the top you have computer engine with Hornet, plastic cover look as well, as you can see. And on the bottom, no cracks, no leaks, no damage. And turning your engine 10J18.